Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Guys, guess where we are off today, and we are going to Jammu and Mata Vaishno Devi. So we are in Shatabdi and it's almost 6. So we are starting here from New Delhi, and say hi. So we are starting here from New Delhi, and Amira is already busy playing with all the kids. So I'm really excited for this short trip. First we will be going to Jammu, and from there we will take a cab and go to Patnitop. We will stay there, and then next day we will go to Katra and we'll start our darshan, we'll start our journey to Mata Vaishno Devi darshan. Okay guys, so this is my travel bag, and remember I got this on my birthday. It's from Charles and Keith, and it holds a lot of stuff. So I'm thinking to show you what's in my bag. Let me show you what all I'm carrying. It's a huge bag, and I got this on my birthday. I love the color. Okay, so the first thing is this makeup pouch. It has all of my makeup, my sunglasses. Then we have got another iPhone for extra storage and to shoot a lot of content for you guys. This is my old phone. I recently, in December I upgraded to iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is my 13 Pro Max, and it's still good, and there's no issue with this phone, but still I upgraded it for the camera quality. Next item we have, it's a tote bag, guys. It's my Flipkart Beauty tote bag. This is to carry anything extra that I'll be purchasing over there. My jewelry pouch, I carry all my jewelry. I got this from Tira, and it's a really good quality pouch. I got it as a freebie. Next we have is a comb, very basic. Then we have what we have. Okay, I can see. Then we have some sanitary pads, always in girls' bag for emergency. Then we have another wallet. This one I love. It's a fab quality. It's by Miraggio, guys, and I got this like 2 years back, but it's still like a new, and I carry some change and my cards in this. We have another pouch. This I got free with this bag, and my cute charm. I'm carrying a lot of stuff in this, a lot of lipsticks, some my favorite. This is my favorite Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, always for keeping my hand moisturized and to smell good. We have some lip liners. We have sanitizer and some powder puff. Okay, another hand cream by Chanel. Okay, there's a lot of lipsticks. We have some more lipsticks, some lip liner, and clutcher. A lot of stuff inside. Okay, then we have got another hand and body lotion. This I got from Tira. It's honey and macadamia and smells so amazing. We have got a 52 Sunday sunscreen spray, house key. This is Abhinav's wallet, and we have another makeup product. It's a MAC Studio Fix. This is over, but I'm so attached to this one, so I carry this for like to use just to do quick touch up and to use the mirror as well. I have another lipstick. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's the Maybelline Sensational Nude. Okay, this is more top, and this is the one I'm wearing. Prada sunglasses. And the last thing that we have is this iPhone charger. And that's it. That's all. So much stuff this bag can carry.